Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to set up payment methods on Shopify store. Step by step, by the end, your customers will be ready to check out smoothly. Let's begin. First of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Search for shopify.com in your browser. Then click the first link. Enter your email address. Enter security password, then click Start Free Trial. Now, wait a minute and follow the process. Like, where would you like to sell? Like an store, online store, in person, at events. So now I will skip the customer setup. Then enter your password. Then log in. Once you are logged in, from the left-hand menu, you will see all our option from for Shopify settings or online store products. So you just click on settings tab from the left sidebar. Then click the payment section. Here you will see all available payment providers for your store. If you are eligible, Shopify payments is easiest option. Click complete account setup, then enter your business details like business type, address, and bank account for payouts. So wait a minute, search Shopify payment methods. If you are if your region is UK or US, your dashboard look like that. Just click Shopify payments or Amazon Pay if available or PayPal, etc. Once verified, it supports major cards like Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and even Apple Pay or Google Pay. Shopify automatically creates a PayPal Express checkout option using your sign up email. To activate it, click Activate option. Then log into your PayPal account and give Shopify access. If you have a business PayPal account, you will get faster transfers and fewer restrictions. Search for PayPal. It's look like that. If Shopify payments isn't available in your country, no worries. Scroll down and choose from third-party gateways like go to choose a provider. Third-party gateways like Stripe. Search for Stripe. Then to checkout or Payoneer, click choose a provider, search for your preferred gateway, then follow the setup instructions like that. Click on payment section, scroll down, click add payment, then search for to checkout or Stripe or Payoneer. You can add paysafe card, then line pay, Alipay. Go to search by provider and search. Payoneer checkout and click on it. And click install and follow the process. Enter your uh, Payoneer credentials, login credentials, then click install and click manage account. Click the sign in button and now sign into your Payoneer account with your Payoneer login credentials. Now go back to Shopify store. You can also add manual methods like cash on delivery, bank deposits, or money orders. Just go back to payment section and now scroll down from manual payments method section. Click manual payment method option, then create custom payment method. Now enter your payment name like bank, add your bank name, your beneficiary name, then your bank account number, then SWIFT code or IBAN number, etc. You can add payment instructions from this section. Then click activate. From manual payment, you can add cash on delivery option, click on it and follow the process. After setup, make sure to test your checkout. You can enable bogus gateways under payment providers to simulate transactions. Just click supported payments methods. Under supported payment methods, select add payment method and search for bogus, or if won't work, just click from payment providers tab, choose a provider, then search for bogus gateway like that. Then click activate and follow the process. Trying placing a test order to confirm everything's working. A few tips. Use multiple methods to give customers flexibility. Make sure your payout bank account is correct. Double check any fees from gateways you choose. That's it. You have successfully set up payment methods on your Shopify store. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Shopify tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.